Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Today we draw YouTube logo. At first, we draw a straight line. In the corner, we draw a curve and make the line straight. In the left side, we draw a curve and straighten the line. Lastly, we join these two with a straight line. We draw a rectangle. In the middle part of this drawing, our drawing is completed. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. YouTube is a global platform for sharing videos. Launched in 2005, it has become the world's largest video sharing website. Users can upload, view, and interact with videos on diverse topics, from entertainment to education. Creators can build channels, monetize content through ads and memberships, and connect with audiences worldwide. YouTube's vast library, coupled with its user-friendly interface, makes it a powerful tool for both content creators and viewers. Red color. We color it very carefully. Wow! It's so beautiful. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.